Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up 2 hobby boxes of Panini Diamond Kings 2018. Looking for Ohtani autographs, numbered cards, rookies. This is a big product. If I can open it. Alright, let's get into it. Spacer card. Luke Weaver auto at a 49. Shohei Ohtani backwards, we like that. And the kanji, that's a gorgeous one. Nice variation Ohtani. Come on, Ohtani. Come on, Ohtani autograph. Let's go. So relic right there at a 99. Ahmed Rosario. Dual relic. Looks like we lost the box off the screen. Only 3 packs left there. Let's get that out of the way. Got a 49 Lloyd Wayner. Need to see more Ohtani. We've only hit 1. Normally we were pulling about 4 to 6 Ohtanis out of these boxes at a time. Nice. It's an Ohtani to 25. And Babe Ruth, wow. That's a monster hit. We will take that any day of the week. Nice Shohei Ohtani on the back. Let's go. Come on, give me an autograph of him or something big. Just a base rookie, but we will take it. There's the second box. That Ohtani Ruth card could be big. tape off the top so it doesn't fall off again. All right, come on, Ohtani auto. Got a auto right there at a $2.99. Dylan Peters. Three more Ohtani numbered. Come on. Got a 99 rookie card. Artist proof. Thomas Nitto. I don't know if we've had any Ohtani in here. All right, what do we got? 5 packs left. Come on, Ohtani. Pee Wee Reese relic right there. Nice one. Shohei Ohtani upside down. Framed with the kanji. We love it. All right, we're going to have to squeeze some of these guys off of there. All big cards. Sorry if I'm shaking. Waiting for the Ohtani autograph to pop out. Last pack. Appreciate you watching. Ohtani Aurora. We love it. More rookie cards. Another Ohtani. Bang. Portraits. And that is going to do it. Thank you for watching.